Good morning, students. Today I will show you the same chapter, chapter number 2, text box. Next things I will discuss today, the text box. Page number 17 you will see the text box. Microsoft Word, the text box is used for different purpose. What purpose? Actually, text box it used to type the text. Text means any kind of letter, okay, any kind of word, any kind of sentence. When you are documents page, you can type anywhere. Okay. Suppose this is the word. Okay, this word you will type the text. In this document view, if you want to show the text here, that another one this side, anywhere you can do it. Okay, so the question is how to insert text box. First of all, you know how to insert the text box and how it looks. Clear? So where we will get? First of all, you go to the insert tab, then you can see the one option is there. That option is shapes. Okay, this shapes you will see the first one is there, text box. First one is that one, text box. You can select and one plus sign will come. This plus sign you will drag it. Okay, now I am showing to you once again, insert, shapes, text. Whenever you will touch the document area, one plus sign will display, then you will drag it. Why this drag it? It is the area you will type up to this one. Okay, if you want to more, so this square box will see. This square box you will display, pull it, so your page will take more space. See, after that, if you click in outside, this box will show. Now I am typing here the anything. Suppose our school name I am typing dot St. Paul's I have typed this one. Now if you want to put the middle place, you can do it. If you want to left side but its size will be more, you can do it. If you want to change the color, you can do it. Okay, you are thinking I don't want to take more space, so you want to pull it small area. Okay, now with this one happen. Now this is the complete of text box. I have typed here only school name. You can do many things, the school name, address, everything. Now the question is coming, sir, where I will keep this one? You will keep it here, select and pull it. If you want to this box, it will be middle, you can do it. No, you want to this place, you can do it. You can even more, you can do it. Anywhere you can paste it. This is the text box. Inside the text box we can add it. Okay, this page number 17 you will see how to insert the text box. Now I am putting the middle. Okay, now this one, the next line I will type. Now I am showing to you Rampur Hat. Okay, now this area, if you want to take more, change the color. If you think only the Rampur Hat, you can change it. Clear? See, this thing is called the paragraph text box. Okay, so this sign you can put it anywhere. This is the call to insert text box. Okay, so my dear, I hope you understood of the creating text box, and these steps also you will write in your copy. Previous things you have learned how to insert word art, how to change the insert text color, everything you will write in your copy. The steps you will try to write your own words. My dear students, whatever I have taught, including today's one, you will try to write the steps your own. Okay, don't copy your book steps, follow your own steps. Okay, so I hope today you understood of this class. Thank you.